What is an array? An array is basically a contiguous block of memory. Means that the memories are all beside each other in the memory block. And that's a good thing for arrays. It's because we don't need to look for it using an address or anything. We just get its index because we already know that all the block of memory is beside each other. But of course, due to this, an array we can access the value very fast, constant time, because it means that no matter how big or how large the array size is, we can access it at the same time, aka constant time. Due to the indexes, we are accessing the element via index. So every array always starts with the index 0, and yeah. So the problem with an array is that we can't really add another one beside it. Well, there are ways we can do this. If you're familiar with a vector or a dynamic array, then yeah. During like the code first, you have to directly provide the size of the array. So you can't really increase it dynamically. So yeah, that's the problem with an array. But there are ways. So let's work on it. Let's say I want to add letter D here. How do we do this? Well, we first need to create another array, aka our new array, that can now store four values. A, no, not yet A, sorry. So now we can store another value by increasing its size. Now what we do here is, I think it's pretty obvious. We just copy the old values into the new array, and then now we have a new space for the size, which will be putting D. That looks like a P. Yeah, but D. So the problem with an array, if you try to make it like dynamic like this, look at it. You have to when inserting something, you have to actually increase it. Like you have to create a new amount of array. So basically, you need to create 4 times now. So when inserting via arrays, if you like, it's fast, but when you actually want to insert a new size, like increase its size, it will be O of n. So basically this means it takes n times or n amount of seconds. It depends, like n times to like increase this. So let's say you have 1 million sizes. So basically it takes 1 million seconds. I don't know if it's seconds, but yeah. It takes about million times to just increase this value. So basically if it's in seconds, it will take 1 million seconds. That's a long time. So yeah. So yeah, that's all an array is, just memory that are all beside each other.